What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So today, guys, we are working on the Mk6 today. I actually got something in that's pretty cool for this car. It's actually missing it. I hate that it doesn't have fog lights. So I went and ordered some fog lights for the instructions, which I'm probably gonna look at. And they're really simple. They're just like that piece right there. I think it's just supposed to pop out. And these ones, the facial cover goes in there. And we got all of the wiring and the fog light itself right there. That looks freaking awesome. See how it has this little black piece right there that's like covering it up a little bit? It's gonna look awesome when it gets in there. And it came with some screws. So awesome. This should not be too complicated. I want to say this right here just pops right out. I might need to find like a pry tool or a small pair of... Let me see if I can find something right quick. So let's see here. We can just pop it out. Oh yeah, super simple. Awesome, super simple. This is gonna be fast. And it already has like the spots where fog lights can already sit at. See where the screws and stuff mount in right there? So this could be easy. I think the hardest part might be running the wires. Let's see. I'm just trying to pull all the wire through the inside of the grill right here without popping anything out. I'm just trying to pull it all the way through.
Take this credit out the trenches. More money, more problem on your business. I hate to lay down, want to listen.
Alright, now for the fog light itself. Oh, it looks so good. Right here, it has two tabs, 1 and 2, that have to stick into like these holes in the back. I'll show you on the other side. Tabs right there need to line up with those two tabs right there, and then you just pop it right in there. Super easy. So pretty much there, I just ran the wires up and then went to the battery, ground, positive, negative, and then there is a hole that is right behind there. It's a hole right down there. You gotta find it, but there's a hole right there, the same hole I used to pull the amp wire through. And I ran the plug through that wire there. I just need to mount it up here, but the plan is to actually buy a Euro switch, and then I'm going to connect it into the Euro switch. That way I can use the Euro switch to turn it on and off. But yeah, that is how you do that. Alright, now for the face cover.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
They say that they will fit the Jetta wagons, TDIs and Golfs, but this does not fit my Jetta. These front panels do not fit a Jetta, so look out for that. Watch out for the panel sizes. These panels are for a Jetta. See how much longer these panels are than this panel? The lights itself fit, but the panel does not fit. So I just went ahead and used my original panel, right? And then I ended up just cutting the hole out for it to fit inside over there. It doesn't look too bad. I guess you could tell that the hole is cut, but check it out when the light comes on. It's not too bad, I don't think. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I wish this little ring right here would have fit around there and it wouldn't look like it was, I guess, cut, which it still really doesn't look like it's cut. I mean, from an angle, depending on what side you're looking at, I don't know. I'm gonna go back online and see if I can find some Jetta panels like this with a bigger hole or whatever, but I don't think that looks too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do that side over there, step back a bit, and put it all together. Alright, so check it out, guys. I got the fog lights in now. From a distance, you can't really even tell that I even cut that out of there. Oh, push that little clip back in, right there, and there we have it. And then I will show it to you guys right quick with the lights on. And that's how it looks with the light on. That's what I was looking for though. I miss fog lights in the front of this. I hate how they don't come with fog lights. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Does that look better with fog lights or without fog lights? I wish I had the right plate. I'm still gonna go look for that plate right there. I want the right plate to fit right there.